Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Today we are going to learn how to talk about past actions or incidents. My friend met with an accident. It happened last night. He was driving his car. A car hit him from behind. The accident was severe. He was injured badly. Someone called an ambulance. The ambulance arrived quickly. Paramedics rushed to help him. They checked his injuries. He was unconscious. They lifted him onto a stretcher. He was taken to the hospital. I got a call from his family. They informed me about the accident. I rushed to the hospital. I was very worried. His family was also worried. We waited outside the emergency room. Doctors examined his injuries. They took him for x-rays. The nurses were very kind. They gave him some painkillers. He was still unconscious. The doctors talked to us. They explained his condition. He had broken bones. He had a head injury. They said he needed surgery. We agreed to the surgery. He was taken to the operation room. We prayed for his recovery. The surgery took several hours. Finally, the doctor came out. He told us the surgery was successful. My friend was in the ICU. Only one person could visit him. I visited him in the ICU. He was still unconscious. Machines monitored his heartbeat. He had oxygen tubes on him. It was hard to see him like that. I held his hand. I prayed for him silently. His family took turns visiting him. The nurses checked him regularly. He slowly regained consciousness. He looked around, confused. We were all relieved. He tried to speak, but he was weak. The doctors assured us he'd recover. He was given a liquid diet. He couldn't eat solid food yet. His injuries needed time to heal. Physical therapy was suggested. The doctors explained his treatment plan. He needed to stay in the hospital. He was moved to a regular room. I visited him every day. We talked about the accident. He remembered nothing about it. He was sad about his injuries. He worried about his recovery. I encouraged him to stay positive. His family supported him too. We brought him food he liked. We kept him company. Nurses helped him with exercises. He tried to sit up with support. He needed help to walk. A therapist guided his exercises. His pain reduced over time. His wounds started healing. He was able to eat solid food. He regained some strength. The doctors checked on him daily. He followed their advice strictly. I brought him books to read. We watched movies together. He started feeling better. He joked with us sometimes. His smile returned gradually. His family was happy to see him recover. He was eager to go home. The doctor said he could leave soon. He was discharged from the hospital. We helped him pack his things. A nurse explained his home care plan. He needed to rest for a few more weeks. He thanked all the hospital staff. We drove him home carefully. His family welcomed him warmly. He was happy to be home. I visited him at his house. He showed me his recovery progress. He continued his exercises. He was determined to heal fully. He thanked us for our support. I was glad he was recovering. We looked forward to seeing him well again. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, share, subscribe the channel.